Babycake 2.0 is today's money bag alert. When we check out the tokenomics, you'll see exactly why. We're also going to check out their official Twitter page that has a tweet by the infamous Crypto Messiah. And at the end of the video, we're going to do some price prediction and some technical analysis. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, be sure to smash the like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is lit up. I'm going to have these official links down in the description below. This contract address, like that you guys don't get anything confused. Babycake 2.0 is a moon token, bringing back the old school vibes and hype. Together we will moon. And I understand this, and I'm sure a lot of us missed that, end of 2021, when all that was pumping up. And these tokenomics can bring that back, to be honest with you. We got Babycake 2.0. Babycake 2 is bringing the old school BSC vibes, but with an updated and better contract. Instead of cake rewards, check this out, we will be rewarding holders in BUSD, bringing back long-term holders and $100 million market cap token, all while rewarding you automatic BUSD, so you don't have to worry about selling your Babycake 2 to take profit. These tokenomics right here, the reason I like these type of tokenomics is that when the markets are going down, the overall, crypto space or whatnot, BUSD, USDT, USDC, those are always on the up and up. You could definitely get people to hold the token and not dump it if while crypto was going down, they were getting reflections in BUSD, something like that, USDT or one of those, they could then just sell that and not have to sell their tokens, and that would not hurt the chart because those are not, the BUSD is not connected to the Babycake 2.0 chart. So that is epic right there. And I think those tokenomics with the right community behind it, good time for you guys to smash the like button. Also leave some bullish comments down below. This could really be a moonshot. This is the next moonshot on the BSC network with an experienced team of developers, project owners, and most importantly, the start of one of the strongest communities. We are unstoppable. Also, if you guys stay tuned and make sure that bell notification is lit up, we're going to have some sneak peeks of their NFTs coming soon. But that's going to be a little bit in the future. We have the roadmap right here. We have stealth launch, liquidity lock, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube marketing, big buy contest. That's huge right there. Those work a lot. Community growth, ads on a multitude of cryptocurrency related sites, 300 to 1,000 holders. Okay. And I already see the Telegram growing. I've been up in there. The vibe is very hype. I like what I'm seeing. CoinGecko and CMC applications and listings. So that's already in the works. Celebrity influencers. That's a huge push when you can get a celebrity influencer to do something like that. That's going to create like Crypto Messiah. So that's huge right there. Release of our utility. The baby swap right now, I'm going to let you guys know the API is currently not working, but will be up and running. And that right there is utility. And that's something to look forward to moving forward. Continue marketing and community growth. 1,500 plus holders. Now, step 3 will be CEX listings is one of the things we will reveal at this time. That's in step 3. And CEX listings is more volume, meaning more reflections for everybody else. Utilities are already in development, but our development team is adaptable and open to community input. So feel free to offer any ideas you would like to see, you would like in this phase in our community. If you like the idea, the dev team is more than capable of producing it. So that's huge right there. That's giving you guys a voice and letting you guys choose where you want this project to go, especially if it's a really good idea. Now let's go ahead and get to this tweet, which is important. And let's go ahead and make sure that we get this over 100 likes. Let's get this over 100 retweets, because when you get something like this going for yourself, this is a strong push right here. We have 85 holders. This is a low cap gem for sure. Let's get to these price predictions. But be sure to smash the like button on the video. And I need you guys to come over here and light this up. Seriously, this is huge right here. Okay, so now getting to these price predictions, we see it's a low cap gem. Now let's go ahead and scroll down, make this chart a little bit big. This is what I was waiting for, to see this opportunity right here. Obviously, I was watching this from the launch. I saw it go up, but I like to be able to call it when we have this correction right here, because this leaves a lot of opportunity when we make a higher low like this on the 4-hour chart. And let's go ahead and put some arrows on this and just indicate what's actually happening right here. Because this is, we have the original support. We have a breakout zone that was in this area right here. And now we're making the support. And everybody that follows this channel, you guys know we do a lot of price prediction and technical analysis. And this is that setup zone, right? We always have the 0 threshold right here. Let's go ahead and set that up really quick. We have a 0 threshold. We have that breakout. And then, of course, one second. We're right here. This is that 0 threshold. right? We're right now in this setup zone. This is my favorite zone. And you guys will see on the channel, if you guys continue to watch the channel, this setup zone is where traditional traders are going to be looking to take a position because, well, we know that we made a higher low and that we agreed that this is as low as we're going to be going. That's that zero threshold. And then this one up here is also all-time high. And at the same time, because this is a low cap gem and just started, also that all-time high and breakout. If we have another test above here and we break past this all-time high is going to be goodbye. To be honest with you guys, we'll go a lot higher than that. So I want you guys to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also make sure the bell notifications lit up. We're going to have some NFTs coming from the group, so you guys do not want to miss out on that. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.